What makes a leader stand out? Is it their charisma, their ability to inspire, or perhaps their vision? As we navigate the realm of proactive leadership, setting high standards and pushing boundaries emerges as a key element. Consider OpenAI, a beacon of continuous improvement, constantly challenging norms and setting new standards. This drive to elevate, to push for innovation and improvement, is what truly distinguishes a leader. As a leader, you must strive to set the bar higher, constantly pushing for innovation and improvement. The Japanese have a term for continuous improvement, Kaizen. Have you ever heard of it? Kaizen, originating from the land of the rising sun, embodies the philosophy of ongoing, never-ending improvement. Its principles are not just applicable to manufacturing or business, but extend to all aspects of life, including leadership. Imagine a leadership style infused with the spirit of Kaizen. You'd be promoting an environment where everyone is a learner. Every day is an opportunity to grow, and every challenge is a stepping stone to betterment. By embracing Kaizen, you're inviting your team to join you on a journey of continual learning. It's not about overnight transformations, but small incremental changes that add up over time. This approach turns the traditional concept of leadership on its head. It's not about being the all-knowing captain of the ship, but being a fellow traveler, learning and growing alongside your team. Success isn't just about reaching the top, but about staying there through constant improvement. That's the essence of Kaizen. In the face of problems, where does your focus lie? On the problem itself or the potential solutions? You see, the difference between a good leader and a great leader often lies in the approach to challenges. Great leaders, they don't just dwell on problems, they focus on solutions. This is where solutions-oriented content comes into play. It's a mindset, a strategy, a way of thinking that encourages you to look beyond the problem at hand and instead concentrate on finding effective solutions. It's about turning challenges into opportunities, problems into possibilities. When you adopt a solutions-oriented approach, you're not just dealing with a problem, you're transforming it. You're elevating your strategy, your leadership, your entire approach. It's like looking at a chessboard and focusing not on the pieces you've lost, but the moves you can still make. Remember, proactive problem solving is a game changer. It's time to elevate your leadership with a solutions-oriented approach. How do you create a workplace that thrives on growth and innovation, you might ask? Well, the answer lies in building a continuous improvement culture. This is the cornerstone of proactive leadership. It's all about fostering an environment where everyone is always looking for ways to do better, to be better. Imagine your organization as a living, breathing entity that's constantly evolving, growing, and adapting. This is the essence of a continuous improvement culture. It's about effective resource allocation, where every resource, be it human, financial, or technological, is utilized to its maximum potential. But it doesn't stop there. Leadership insight is crucial in guiding this continual growth. As a leader, your role is to inspire, to motivate, and to set the direction for this continuous journey of improvement. Remember, proactive leaders don't just react to change, they anticipate it, they drive it. Proactive leaders build a culture that embraces continual improvement. It's time to foster such a culture in your own organization. Let's bring everything together now. We've journeyed through the realms of proactive leadership, setting high standards, embracing Kaizen, the Japanese art of continuous improvement, and honing a solutions-oriented mindset. We've underscored the importance of fostering a continuous improvement culture. Each of these elements forms a cornerstone in the edifice of proactive leadership. It's a thrilling journey of growth, innovation, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Until next time, remember to keep elevating your leadership and stay proactive.